Absolute advantage is the simplest yardstick of economic performance. If one person, firm, or a country can produce more of something with the same amount of effort and resources, they have an absolute advantage over the other producers. Now, the examples could be in terms of geography, technology, wealth, education, etc., which may vary across person or countries. It should be noted that being the best at something does not mean that doing the thing in the best way to use scarce economic resources. So the question of what to specialize in for the countries and how to maximize the benefits from international trade is best decided according to comparative advantage. Both absolute and comparative advantage may change significantly over time. If you like the content of this video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thank you.